Hi viewers, you're welcome back. A lot of people have been trying to move to Canada via the work route. They've not been getting positive results and it has been frustrating. And it's simply because you think you can just apply to any company or any recruitment agency in Canada. That is not true. That might be where you're getting it wrong. There are hundreds of recruitment agencies in Canada that are licensed to recruit, but it is not all of them that have the documentation to recruit workers from outside Canada. Most of them are only licensed to recruit workers from Canada alone. Those ones that are permitted to recruit foreign workers from outside Canada are the ones that the government of Canada has given a positive LMIA approval, and that's the labor market impact assessment, stating that, and the essence is that the government wants to know why you are leaving workers in Canada to go outside Canada to bring in workers. So you have to prove to them that you've not been able to get workers in Canada that are willing to take up these job opportunities, and that's why you are getting foreigners from outside Canada. We have a lot of people that have gotten this job. There's a recruitment agency, Face Personnel. I spoke about it in one of my videos, and somebody just applied and they contacted the person to submit her documents for that job. And even though the person's international passport had expired, they allowed her to go and renew her international passport, and they are willing to bring her to Canada. So people are getting this job. I don't want you to be discouraged, and that's why I'm bringing in this video. I'm also going to be showing you about 2 recruitment agencies that you can apply to, but I need you to check one of my videos that I taught you how to get these employers that have positive labor market impact assessment, so that you narrow your search down to those employers and give all it takes to your application to those employers. You can also apply to some other ones. You never can tell. If they find you so suitable, an employer can go extra mile for you to obtain the positive LMIA just because of you. So that's why I'm not saying you should not apply to any other ones, but I want you to tailor your energy to those that already have this positive labor market impact assessment. I took my time to take you through how you can get those employers on the job bank. So you want to check out that video. You can check the comment section or the description of this video so that you go through it, so that you can dissipate energy on those that will bring you results and not just apply to many without getting any result. Another thing that could impact your chance is your CV. If your CV is not in a Canadian format, you are joking. If your cover letter is not in a Canadian format, you are a joker. So you must make sure that it is very appealing and it is in the standard Canadian format. I also took my time to make a video on how you can easily create your Canadian resume in few steps on the job bank. A lot of people use the job bank, but they don't even know there's a resume builder you can use for free, and you'll be able to download your resume easily and begin to send it to your prospective employers. So I'll also link that video in the description or in the comment section of this video. Another thing that can impact your application is if you're applying to different jobs, about 10-15 jobs with just one CV, then you might not be doing yourself any good, because gone are those days when recruiters go through your CV and cover letter themselves, like human beings go through them. Nowadays AI does the work for them. That's the artificial intelligence. So they don't have the time to sit on 1,000 applications, 5,000 applications and be looking at it one after the other. They use the AI. So they just give the AI some keywords. Like if you're an accountant, they want to look at, okay, general ledger, They will just give a command to the AI. This is the kind of person we want to employ that has experience in general ledger, bookkeeping, reconciliation, payroll, taxes. They'll just give them those things they expect you to do, those things they need you to do, written in their job description. So if the AI cannot find those keywords in your CV, it will just discard it, and they will pick those people that have those keywords in their CV. And that's why I want you to be sensitive to those job descriptions for each of your applications. Look at it. Okay, what are the keywords they are looking for? If you have experience in it, let it be in your CV so that it will be able to identify your own CV, pick it, and you will get a positive response from them. So with that being said, I have 2 recruitment agencies that I would like to introduce you to today. The first one is for people in the health sector, while the other one cut across many sectors. So I want you to stick around with me and let's go right into the video. Please, if you found what I've said helpful, please give me a thumbs up so I will be able to know that I'm adding some value to you. Thank you very much. If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to join the family. Now let's go. The first one is Alberta's Health Services. The Alberta Health Service is the largest provincial health body in Canada, operating in one of the most affordable provinces. That's the province of Alberta. So if you're interested in this province, you're welcome to send in your application. So they recruit international applicants. They have their LMIA, so they have the documentation and all it takes to bring you into Canada once your application with them is successful. So applying as an international applicant, the HAS welcomes international health care professionals to apply. This is from their website. And to live, work, and play in our scenic province that offer one of the lowest cost of living in Canada and the most sunshine per year. So they are welcoming international applicants because they have what it takes to bring you into the province of Alberta. So are you interested in working as a registered nurse in Alberta? So join our nursing talent network. So we are currently on their career page and we want to check out the opportunities that are opened. So you want to check, I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. Just click on search jobs, and where we are, you can type in your keywords. Mostly we have nursing, that's the nurses, the psychiatric nurses, healthcare aides, practical nurses, emergency medical services, and physical therapy. So if you have experience in any of that, you can apply. So let's check out the first one here, healthcare aide. So this is it. As a healthcare aide, you are responsible for providing personal assistance, supporting activities of daily living, and providing comfort and support services to patients. So those are what you're required to do. This opportunity was posted on the 27th of July 2024 and is going to expire on the 26th of August 2024. So this is one of those things that I'm talking to you about. Even though this particular organization have the LMIA, is not all job openings that they even have that are open to workers from outside Canada. You can see this particular, I told you I'm going to be as real as I can on this channel. I'm not just doing this only for the views, but I want people on this channel to get value from whatever I am pushing out. So now see, they are requesting for a confirmation as proof of enrollment from directory. Nursing students currently enrolled in an approved Alberta nursing program who have successfully completed a minimum of 100 of practicum. So you can see that if you apply for this job, you would not get it. That is those that are applying, those of my subscribers that are applying from outside Canada. I also have subscribers that are within Canada, but I discovered majority of my viewers are outside Canada. So if you are within Canada and you have this requirement, you can apply to this job. But for my people outside Canada, I will show you the one you can apply to. So let's look at this manager. This is the position of a manager in the labor and delivery pediatrics unit. So if you have experience in this opening, so these are your description, these are what you're going to do. The manager will lead in the delivery of effective and efficient operation of high quality, accessible, sustainable, patient and family focused care of the assigned unit. You can read it if you have experience. This job is going to expire on the 9th of August, so you've got to be very fast with it if you have experience in this opportunity. I just want you to know that you have to separate the available positions for people within Canada and those that are outside Canada. So you can't just apply to any job in Canada, most especially if you are outside. If you are within Canada, you can apply to any job within Canada. But for people outside Canada, there are specific jobs you can apply to if you don't want to waste your time. So you can see this is the required qualification: minimum 3 years experience with demonstrated clinical competence and knowledge of specialty areas. That's in the maternity and pediatric unit. Then minimum experience in a formal supervisory management role, demonstrated pattern of personal or professional growth. So you can see that you need to check it very well before you apply. So you can go on and on. I don't want this video to be too long. You can see that we have a huge number of applications. So you want to check the ones you can apply to as an international candidate, and you want to check if you have the required qualifications. So if you find any, just apply to it and make sure your CV is tailored, and those things that I said, you put them into consideration, and you will start receiving positive results. So now, without wasting time, let's go to the other recruitment agency for people that have experiences and qualification in other sectors. So this agency recruits across different sectors like the accounting, the IT administration, marketing, operations, human resource, legal, sales, warehouse, supply chain, skilled trades, construction, and the likes. So all you need to do is to come up here. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, so you can put your job title here. If you have any specific location you want, you can select it here. Then your specialization, they are specialized in accounting, administrative, construction, executive, general labor, hospitality, human resources, information technology, that's the IT sector, legal, marketing and creative, operations, sales, skilled trades, warehousing, supply chain, and others. It's a wide range of specializations. So you want to click on search job. So you can see they have a lot of opened opportunities. You can see this job is posted just recently. That's 2nd of August. That's an accountant, corporate reporting. There's this one too, accounting jobs, administrative, automotive technician, battery engineer, carpenter, fire alarm technician, fundraising and community engagement coordinator, link closure technician, manager, chief engineer, plumber, medical office assistant, painter, traffic controller, temporary office assistant. You can load more. They have refrigeration, air conditioning mechanic, bookkeeper, director of fund development and communications, director of people and culture, grant and fundraising specialist, production manager, senior accounting manager, senior general manager, senior sheet metal foreman, associate lawyer, business development manager, GRC's representative, legal assistant, sales team lead, senior corporate accounting manager, banquet servers. Servers are also needed. They recruit across Canada and they have a wide range of opportunities for you. You can see that they have so much opportunities because a lot of companies are coming to them from different parts of Canada for them to help them get qualified workers to fill in their opened positions. So you want to position yourself well. Just search for any of these job openings that best suit your qualification and experience and apply. So if you want to apply, just click on the apply online. It's an easy application form. You have to fill your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your city, your state, your postal address. Then you upload your resume, you create a password. So when you are done filling your details, click on next. So it brings you here. You can say, thank you, your application has been submitted for the following position: accountant, corporate reporting.